Hi guys, this is Agnes the Romancos and today we will cook lumpiang Shanghai a la Romancos. Ayan. This is our style. Kami niluluto namin. Yung ibang tao, minimix lang nila yung ingredients for the filling of the lumpiang Shanghai. But for us, we always cook the filling of the pork lumpiang Shanghai so that hindi siya madaling masira. So, come and join me. Let's cook lumpiang Shanghai. Sis Floor will be with me in the video. So, I hope you will enjoy and you will learn from this video. Thank you. Ayan, so syempre, ang unang step ay ang paggisa. Ang inuna kong igisa ay sibuyas. Sunod ay ang minced garlic. Ayan, dinikdik na garlic yan. So, after magisa, ayan, binilisan ko na yung minced pork. After naman, yung mga hiniwa ko na shrimps. So, pag luto na yung karne, kasi mabilis lang maluto ang shrimps, saka natin ilalagay ang shrimps. Ayan, ginayat na shrimps. So, lutuin nating mabuti ang filling ng lumpiang Shanghai. So, ayan, lagyan natin ng paminta, black pepper, tamang timpla lang ng paminta, ayan, para hindi masyado, pag nasobrahan, maanghang na yan. So, ang isusunod natin ihahalo ay toyo, soy sauce. Yan. 1 tablespoon or depende sa inyong panglasa, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Ayan. So, para malinamnam, haluing mabuti. Ayan, yung veggies naman ang ihalo natin. So, may paprika or bell pepper. Ayan, ang ginudgod natin na carrots. And, nilagyan ko rin yan ng celery. Ayan, haluin. Haluin mabuti. Tsaka, lutuin natin siya ng tama lang. Yung tamang pagkaluto. Sige lang, haluin. Ayan, malinamnam yan kasi yung vegetables, yung carrots, tsaka paprika, medyo matamis-tamis yun. So, masarap yung mix niya. Yan ang ating filling sa ating lumpiang Shanghai a la Romancos. Again, kami ay niluluto namin ang filling para matagal masira. Yung iba fresh meat and fresh ang nilalagay. Ayan, lagyan ng asin, pandagdag ng lasa. Tikman nyo kung tama na ang timplada. Ayan, haluin ulit. Ayan, konting minutes na lang yan at ready na yan. I-wrap. So, lagyan natin ng oyster sauce para mas lalong sumarap. Tama lang na oyster sauce. Pwede na yan. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and haluin natin. Kasi tama na din yung timpla niya ng soy sauce at saka asin. Ayan. Haluin. Ayan. Salamat sa inyo dyan na mga nanonood. Salamat kay Life and Sweets sa kanyang pa-cooking video contest. And you're watching me. I'm here in Slovakia, guys. Ayan, extra celery pa dyan. Dagdagan natin. Guys, don't forget to comment. Again, don't forget to comment using your main channel only. If Ninja ang inyong gamit, please pakipalitan ng main channel kasi hindi counted ang Ninja. Only main channels, guys. Please, comment lang. Thank you so much. Ayan ang sambosa.
Oo.
Pag Ramadan sa mga Muslim ganyan. Tayo, lumpia tayo.
Lumpia.
Ang iba nga yan. Ganyan.
Spring roll.
Yan, ewan ko. Ito tayo, spring roll. Ito. So, ayan.
Spring rolls.
Malambot, no? Maganda.
Malambot. Malambot niya. Ang ganda.
Oh, oh, right.
Alright.
Hey,
Malalaki pati.
oh, the hands. Oh, the hands. Oh, the hands.
Para ready na tomorrow.
Nasampulan na natin ngayon. One minute ko. Try with Ate Flor.
Try again.
Yeah.
Yee.
Helping us. Oh, we wash our hands. We wash our hands before.
Oh, very good.
Oh, good job, Lucas.
Oh.
Oh, don't push the Very
nice.
Very nice. Very good. Then mommy will be the one to wrap.
Oh, sige. Mami na raw.
You're here.
Ah, okay, okay. You're here and I... Oh, wow. I'll put it there.
Give mommy one. Oh.
Mommy, I don't like it. Happy.
That's a hunter cheek. Oh, go on the other side.
Okay.
Ano namin to? Madaming ilalagay.
Here.
Busog-lusog. Hindi tinipid. Kasi kakainin namin to.
Sulit ang cravings.
Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Ingredients. So much ingredients.
With shrimps. May shrimps to. Pork shrimps.
Really?
With celery. With carrots.
Me and I.
Bell pepper.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Magandang quality nitong ano.
Galing naman.
Mommy and Daddy married.
And then Lucas.
Me, Sofia Pavinardi Potoni.
Oh.
Sophie is the first one
And then?
Then
to be born. Then him.
I like to be Muslim.
He likes to be last.
Yes,
Oh.
because I like the food what you eat.
Yes.
It's connected
You love
to
Filipino
you.
food?
No, when he was baby daw inside, it's connected to me. Umbilical cord.
Yes, here.
Sa
Mommy,
puso.
here.
Yes.
And they cut it on.
Yes.
Oh.
When you went out of me.
Yes, and it's broken.
Oh. Ah, bro.
And now we are sitting it to go all these like this.
When he went out, na fracture yung ano niya,
Yung dito niya.
clavicle niya. Hindi ko,
And so
siguro yung pagkahila ng baba, ng
Like
nurse.
yes, so
Tsaka,
Saan? Sa dito?
no, sa nitra.
Sa nitra? Hello.
it.
Hello. Sa nitra ka ng anak?
So, naano pa din siya.
Wait, it's too dry. Oh, now. Hello. Na-fractured.
Tapos, ano naman siya, nag-heal. Ayan, ang aming sample. Si Ate Flor. Tita Flor ang kanyang ang taga-open, taga-separate, and Lucas with the help of Lucas.
Wow, Lucas, guwapo.
So, si Mami ang taga-wrap.
Nagpapakute.
Si Mami ang lumpia wrapper. So, prituhin na natin mamaya. So, ayan, prituhin na natin. Pero, syempre, dapat painitin muna natin ang pagpiprituhan. Saka natin ilalagay ang oil. Vegetable oil yan. Pwede kang sunflower oil, kung anong klaseng oil meron kayo na healthy. Ayan, sample na, simula na. Sample prito. Ayan ang pinakaunang prito namin. Dapat maging golden brown siya. So, yung heat dapat tamang-tama din. Tsaka, tama lang ang oil. Mas maganda kung mas madaming oil. Yung talagang, ano siya, umaapaw yung oil para cook mabuti. Ayan. Sige, kulo-kulo pa. Ayan, habang niluluto ko yan, nagchichika kami dyan ni Flor. Ang aking new Filipina friend na andito, malapit lang sa amin, kapitbahay namin, walking distance. Ayan na nga. At nag-golden brown na siya. Pwede na yan, konti pa. Baliktarin. Ayan, ang ingay ng commenter. Nag-comment. At anyways, guys, while watching this, please don't forget to comment para manalo tayo. Don't forget to comment using your main channel. So, main channel only ang valid. So, please, kung gumagamit ka ngayon ng Ninja, please, pakigamit ng main channel para mag-comment, to support the Romancos. So, ayan, luto na guys. Tamang golden brown lang. Crispy yan. Sampulan na natin. Ayan, ay inihanda ko sa aking 39th birthday. Ayan ang aking friends. Nagpansit din kami, chicken, at ang ating lumpia. Thank you so much, guys! And of course, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Life and Sweets. Bye-bye.